We are having Mr. Rahul Kasat, Director Indotech Industries with us, and he is here to answer me few questions which I would like to put in front of him. And the first question, sir, for you is, how long have you been using SAP?
We were their initial clients, and we implemented SAP around 2016. Nah, almost 6 years we have been using SAP, and it was a great experience.
Great. Second question for you, sir, is why did you select SAP as a tool or platform in your growth journey?
We were actually looking for some kind of ERP which could help us to systemize our process, our systems, and maximize our production capacities. So we searched out in the market, and then we found out that SAP is a good tool, worldwide accepted. So we went for SAP.
Great. And how was the experience till now with Osswal?
Yeah, Osswal has been a great support to us. So after implementation of SAP, they still supported some of our queries. They made more customization after implementation also, which is an ongoing process with SAP, and that is the best part with Osswal, that they've supported us always.
Great. And the next question for you is your wishes to Team Osswal on winning this prestigious award.
Many congratulations to Team Osswal, and it is a very prestigious award from SAP to Osswal, and we wish to continue that they grow and flourish and make many more customers in the market, in the industries. My best wishes to Mohit ji and his team.
Last but not the least, sir, would you like to appreciate any specific person from Team Osswal?
Basically, all the people that Osswal has appointed were good. They were customer focused, so nothing special. I just want to congratulate the whole team and the Mohit ji for specifically to take care of this software and thing, ERP.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. This was Mr. Rahul Kasat, Director Indotech Industries amongst us. Thank you so much for your lovely reviews. Thank you.